Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous sunny Henderson, Tennessee. And I've got a really nice little truck here to show you, and it's a truck that we can tell you quite a bit about. This is a 2015 Ford F350. It is two-wheel drive, obviously. It is a 12-foot box truck. And she's just a clean little thing. Look at there, it's got the little running boards for you. This is rare. Got a really nice spare tire mounted right there. Speaking of tires, they're good. I don't think anybody's gonna have to do a whole lot to this little truck. This thing is really clean. And I told you that I can tell you a little bit about this more than we can some of the others, because we bought this truck in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And we loaded it up with a few things for the shop, and we drove it here to Henderson, Tennessee. So that's about a just shy of 1,700 mile trip, and the truck run just flawlessly. It's just such a baby doll. That's a 12-foot long box on there. It does have a 1,600-pound liftgate. And just so that you can see, I'd always like to show you that, you know, the stuff that we have is usually pretty fair. We don't fool around with stuff. We're very proud of what we have. This has got the oak decking in it. It's got the multiple track strap tie downs on the wall, and I guess that bottom one would even act as a pallet jack protection. There's a couple of straps that came with it. You can have it. There's one little chip in the plastic corner up there. If we get around to it, I might put a little fiberglass up there, but if I don't, when you get here, that's what you're buying. But it's a solid truck. Nice little piece. Rubber little dock mounts are good. Got the extension on it, and you know what? I'll even close that down for you so that you can see that we're not hiding anything. The door is good. There's nothing weird about it. There's a backup camera up there, and there's a screen in the cab, but I can't figure out how to make it work. So I'm going to tell you it doesn't. If you get it to work, good for you. Gas tank is right there. Nice truck. I mean, when you look under this thing, as I said, it's a Las Vegas, Nevada truck, so you're not going to find any rust on this truck. This thing is solid. It's even got those little plaques right there. So if you get in a situation where you have to haul something, you got all the little things right there, so you meet the DOT approval. That is a Supreme body. This is a 2015. It's running a 6.2 gas V8. One of Ford's proven vehicles. I really like that little motor. So it's got 3 passenger seating. Let me just get in here. Radio works. Air conditioning feels really good. So, super little truck. After driving it here, it's running, just so you can see. There's no check engine lights, nothing dumb about it, and it's showing 136,000 miles on it. So soft on miles. Don't even know if those are hooked up to anything. If they are, great. I doubt it. Little beverage holder right there. Clean little truck. As I say, it's a 350 Ford, so it's a 1-ton chassis. Headliner's good. All that is good. Like I say, that thing there, it says camera 2, so I don't know if you're supposed to do something else. I don't know. Maybe it's smarter than I am, which probably wouldn't take much, honestly. So anyway, if you can, there's camera 3. Oh, look at there. Do we have something there? My golly, we might actually have a little something there. Anyway, you fool around with that, you might get that to work. Air conditioning is ice cold. Has the setup, the stuff to change the odometer, whatnot. Does not have cruise control. Automatic transmission, of course. Nice truck. This thing is such a baby doll. It's just crazy. And as I say, it's got the 3 passenger seating. Right now you got the little armrest dealy bobber folded down. There's a storage in there, but right there's your 3 passenger seating. If you look at the floor mats on it, floor mats are solid. Let me see if I can get some of the some of the shade out of there for you. Floor mats are good, upholstery is good, seats good. It's got a couple little spots on it, but it's vinyl, so you don't have to worry about it. Headliner's good. Straight truck. Nice truck. 1-ton dually, 12-foot box with a lift gate, soft on miles, only 130, whatever I said, 136, I think. Nice truck. 2015 model. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. We're right here at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And you can call me on my cell phone number, which is 602-510-5444. And as always, we really appreciate you looking.